First list of BJP candidates officially announced for 31 constituencies. Second list expected soon. Transporters and Drivers Council and Manipur Motor Vehicle Department urges public transportation to not increase fares, taking undue advantage of the economic blockade. And Manipur University launches Go Green Campus Manipur University program at the MU campus today. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The first list of 31 BJP candidates has been announced officially. For Haingang, Shri N. Biren Singh, Kurai, Shri L. Susindro Maitai, Thongju, T.H. Biswajit Singh, Kairao, Shri L. Rameshwar Maitai, Andro, Dr. Nimachan Luwang, Lamlai, K.H. Ibomcha Singh, Sagolband, Dr. K.H. Loken Singh, Kashamthong, Shri R.K. Shivachandra Singh, Yai School, Shri T.H. Satyabartha Singh, Wangkai, Yumkham, Irabot Singh, Konthocham, Dr. S. Ranjan Singh, Patsoy, Shri S. Premananda Sharma, Langthabal, Shri O. Joy Singh, Wangoi, Shri S. Joy Singh, Mayang Imphal, Shri K. Robindro Singh, Nambol, Shri T.H. Chauba Singh, Oinam L. Radha Kishore Singh, Moirang, Shri P. Saratchandra Singh, Thanga, Shri M. Ashni Kumar Singh, Kumbi, Shri N. Mangi Singh, Lelong, Muhammad Anwar Hussain, Thaubal, L. Bashanta Singh, Bhim, Wangkhem, Shri O. Haridas Singh, Hairok, Shri T.H. Radheshyam Singh, Wangjing Tentha, Shri M. Hemanta Singh, Khangabok, Shri T.H. Jadumani Singh, Wabgai, Dr. U. Devin Singh, Hianglam, Dr. Y. Radheshyam Singh, Sugnu, Shri Y. Jibin Singh, Tadubi, Francis Ngachokpa, Tamai Z. Kikambao, Nyumai. The remaining 29 are likely to be announced soon. Transporters and Drivers Council (TDC) and Manipur Motor Vehicle Department has warned of stringent actions if the fares of public transportation is increased, taking undue advantage of the economic blockade. TDC has appealed individuals and organizations to protest the increase in fares by buses, autos, Tata Winger and Tata Magic. TDC and Manipur Motor Vehicle Department carried out a drive today on Tidim Road to check if passenger vehicles were overcharging the passengers. During the drive, it was found that most of the vehicles were overcharging the passengers in the name of economic blockade. TDC expressed dissatisfaction over the issue and ensured the passengers were returned their additional amount. TDC also warned of actions if these are repeated again. President of TDC, H. Ranjit, informed the media that adequate fuel is made available for the public transportation after the efforts of TDC. He said TDC will not accept the undue advantage by few vehicle owners in the name of economic blockade.
Passenger Pogidi, Marang Kaina to Pirivaneva. Pirivasiki, Kudong Chabsi, Lorkanda, Equigi, bus drivers in owners in contractors in Mokogi, Kanava, Kudong Chabaka, Lorambasi, Equigi complain, my Amama Lapode, going as check of Germany, Matunga. Hide Basi, Amuna Logiganu, Kariguma Amuna Lor Mataragadi Magi route any type of passenger vehicle, Salhandana, Penanti, and a mat Hamjangani, Barache, Showing Hengapayaro, Hengalamagati, Praja Singnasu, driver, Amadi conductors in the winning among the Torquata, Transport Association, Amadi Aquaki Society, Singjagi, Karigumanta, objection Tauroi.
On the other hand, people lauded the efforts of TDC and Manipur Motor Vehicle Department for carrying out drives to check on increased fare, taking undue advantage of the blockade, and urged the people to carry similar drives in the future. It may be mentioned that TDC has made fuel available adequately for public transport vehicles at Hairangoithong Service Station for Imphal West and Kusum Oil Pump for Imphal East.
Akoina karigi bara hengalino haiba matamda moina thau tangmagini queue da lepado yamna piraktabagi matungina khoi bara se hengatchabani na haye sumaina TDC na tawbiraiba khongthang se punchi chupagi oina khoi sumba praja ge awaba se yengbiraga matam sangna tawbibusu oisanu
TDC na sumana tawjabse ai yam nuai jai adubu bara gi manthina de ngasi chu ai kokta da gi moirang hegalakbado lupa tara piba bara do kul loje uba matamda tawbase ai thawai haksang yamna nuai jai.
To appeal political parties not to give money to publish election-related news to media persons. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU President Wang Kimcha Shyamjai said there should not be incidents which surface in which Imphal Times and other social media sites in future. He said there is no need for the public to understand the guidelines of Election Commission of India and issues related with paid news. He warned that if any political party is found giving money to media persons to publish election-related news, a complaint will be made to the Press Council of India. He lauded the media persons for doing their duty. He also said that a high-speed internet free Wi-Fi will be installed at Manipur Press Club.
Karagumba candidates sing maya pudamangna mia mamangda Paulo Juriba wishing you napdana itakogi nang swine lupasani pira pau hakutabni kana landa tobuse to bigno tobutaragadi akogi tawriba akogi candidate khangde atopambi khangde mogi matakta koina lokopum thokba koi chapsaba aingi matab lokotkani pet news to we hek akoi amjuna pau phangaba adugi magi evidence proof amjuna leiru matam oragadi akoina pinna sale paumi adu oraga akoina pausi singji phongtokani adu ECI da takani adu aingi matungna ai akogi moi action lahongani adi akoina Press Council of India so akoina takani.
Manipur University Student Union MUSU launched Go Green Campus Manipur University program at the MU campus today. As a part of the program, 50 bicycles have been installed in the campus under the funding of Manipur University. The bicycles would enable the people to travel around the university campus by buying an economical ticket. Speaking at the occasion, Vice Chancellor of MU Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey said the program is launched with an objective to maintain a clean and eco-friendly environment and to reduce carbon dioxide released by motor vehicles. It will also help visitors travel conveniently in the campus. He appreciated the efforts of the President and Executive Member of MUSU in making the program a success. Among others, the event was also attended by Registrar Professor M. Shyam Kishore, Exam Controller Dr. N. Ibutombi and other officials of the university.
I have also decided that once in a week, I personally myself, along with our administrative officers and members of the faculty, we shall walk in the campus on the cycle to complete this program, because we want that our campus should remain green. We shall maintain it, and also we shall increase the greenery of this campus, and for that this program is being launched.
One-day free eye screening and subsidized surgery camp was held at the ground of Eastern Youth Constructive Association EYCA in Kongpal, Khitri, Laikai today. The camp was organized under the sponsorship of National General Secretary of National People's Party NPP Vivek Raj Wangkim and CJ Eye Care Foundation. Around 150 patients underwent eye screening and cataract screening. It may be mentioned that CJ Hospital have conducted cataract operations for more than 50 patients at subsidized rates at the free eye camps held in Khetrigao constituency as a part of their continuous camps. Government of India, as a step to ease the fuel crisis in the state, has authorized the use of Indian Air Force cargo plane to transport filled oil tankers to the state. In the first flight, 2 oil tankers carrying 20 and 12 kiloliters of diesel respectively have been brought into the state by the cargo plane. It brought 2 diesel-loaded tankers. Though the aircraft has inbuilt capacity to carry 2 fully loaded oil tankers, Sunday's load was about 10% less than the full capacity. It may be mentioned that the inter-ministerial meeting was held under the chairmanship of Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and was also attended by Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. There has been serious shortage of essential commodities, particularly petroleum products and medicines, due to the ongoing economic blockade imposed by United Naga Council on the 2 lifelines of Manipur since November 1st last year. BJP State Unit spokesperson N. Biren said petroleum products and life-saving drugs have been brought in by air. Speaking to media persons at BJP office, he said the construction of the National Highway 37 Imphal-Ziribam Road has been given to National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL.
Manipur Prajagi relief Kardu Washu, Panana Bahidana, airliftings. Hore, Narang oil tankers, any life-saving drugs, Atuba, Tungaba Hore, Hayengsu, Makatana, Lakigani, Masimang Manipur Prajagi, Konerni Hibernate. Biarone, Center Congress Sarkane, State Sarkane, Moi, Colusion Motorkanda, Ziri Lambis, they could give Garis in the Satanaba. Sin but not manba. Aduna Ziri Lambi, Suksam Siam only 2.5 years old BJP government led by the City Modiji, Narang Tabir Mani. BRO Noi Manipur Prajabo, Sukuina Wahalaki Dandi Noi Kutaki, BRO the Gilok National Highway and the Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited Sinagre.
Supporters of BJP aspiring candidate who failed to get the party ticket continue to storm at the BJP office where the official announcement of the first list of BJP candidate. Oinam Assembly constituency BJP Mandal strongly condemned the party for not giving the ticket to Bikramjit, Romeo and Jiban. Police personnel deployed around the area controlled the situation. Later, 4 representatives among the supporters were allowed to meet the leaders of the BJP party. The representatives came out dissatisfied as there were no senior leaders inside the office who would take the responsibility. The supporters shouted slogans, Oinam Kendra exit BJP, and went back.
Ticket piba matamda corruption tawbagi sanabi ase Manipurda thambiranu intending candidate ahum asida ticket pi dedana atopa bai taba aduga Radha Kishore hairiba sigumba candidate asida party na ticket piba thoklabadi hairiba Radha Kishore hairiba mi asida aikoi Oinam Kendra gi oina support tawjaroi loinana Oinam Kendra da BJP muthatkani BJP की कैंडिडेट चुंका कहलोय राधा के छोटा पिसन गितार दी BJP से मुथरकनी मंडल से मुथरकनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मरी है सिसु कोई न मुथरकनी.
It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available.
Yumanungi application ki mapung faba solution pir ba Durasign G6 seasonabio. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidoknaba ki irai laiba solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung ga mic install to ba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. A team of Imphal East, Imphal West Districts Police and Excise Department seized and destroyed liquor worth around 5 lakhs. The department filed 429 cases and collected a revenue of Rs 11,85,700 as a fine. The seized items include foreign liquor, country liquor, beer bottles. The seized items were set on fire at Excise Department campus at Lampel today. Deputy SP Excise Irungbam Jatishwar said that actions were taken up in view of the maintaining a peaceful forthcoming election with the help of the people and the police. He laments the lack of infrastructure and enough vehicles to carry out the drive more intensely and has appealed to concerned departments to provide the necessary facilities to carry out more of such drives.
since 2009 dagi huji phawda akoi excise department na leijariba gari ji off road ni karim leibnate adu gari ji akoi public tegi hire tokjaraga akoi nomagi petrol nei nome hiring charge piraga wajaraga akoi thabak si season ni masida government na nuksibiduna akoi gari leijage na akoi department na propose tawida yabiduna akoi gi infrastructure si matik chana lehenbirgadi huji karibe revenue sidagi double times akoi kabangangani.
The 10th Foundation Day of Royal Riders Manipur was held at Manipur Adventure and Allied Sports Institute, Masi Complex, Kairao Bitra in Imphal East. Speaking at the function, Royal Riders Manipur President Thangjam Niran said Royal Riders Manipur has been reaching out to people living in far-flung areas of the state by riding bullet. He said Royal Riders will continue helping people irrespective of caste or creed. He expressed dissatisfaction over the bullet riders from outside the state unable to reach the state due to the UNC's blockade. As a part of the function, new office bearers of Royal Riders Manipur were sworn in.
Tungi makhataba thabak thoram Royal Riders ki oiba makoida khusin nazaramaga ngasi ekoi haiba executive oibasidagi ekoi ngasi pothagani lakadoriba executive singsida khara mana advisor oina chakre plus executive member oina sudum legani asigi numit sida atopa state tagi amadi atopa club singsidagi ekoi 10th anniversary Royal Riders Manipur gi si yawba lakpiba adugumba member mayamam su yawri ekoi gi maraktadi tindraba laiwai khraba adugumba yamba sing inau sing gi damakta su mafamda ekoina lai kattana floral tribute amusu ekoi pangthokche.
Rup Mahal Theatre has awarded the 26th Maitram Bira Award 2016 to artist Nongthombam Lakshman Singh. The award carries a cash prize of 10,000 rupees, a citation and a shawl. The prestigious award was presented at the opening ceremony of the 17th Rup Mahal Artist Memorial Drama Festival 2016 at the Rup Mahal Theatre on BT Road today. Commissioner of Works and IPR K. Radhakumar, IAS Chairman of Rup Mahal Theatre K. Hiramani and many well-wishers of the theatre were among those present at the event. As a part of the function, floral tributes were paid to the deceased artists of the theatre. Rup Mahal Drama Festival, which will begin tomorrow, will end on February 5th and 12 theatre units will take part in it. Manipur SSB Pensioners Welfare Association, Wangkai Kaithil Ashangbi, Imphal, has provided financial assistance to the newly constructed Maitai Yumchao at Kaibi, Sanapat. President and Managing Committee members of the association were present on the occasion. Medical team of the association also provided a training cum demonstration on tackling various forms of injuries like snake bite, dog bite, etc. The third level event plank of the first level Men's Fitness Challenge 2017 organized by CrossFit Manipur was held yesterday at CrossFit Nagamapal. 30 participants took part in the event. Devananda Kumbrai Latpam bagged the first position, taking 2 hours, 1 minute and 7 seconds to complete the challenge. Thauyangba Meitai Laitonjam bagged the second position, clocking 1 hour and 18 seconds, and Cavendish Maibam bagged the third position, clocking 1 hour and 3 seconds. Devananda Kumbrai Lakpam has also set a record in India by clocking 2 hours, 1 minute and 7 seconds to complete the plank abdominal challenge. 10 successful participants will be selected among the 30 participants of event plank for the grand finale. In view of Republic Day, visitors will not be allowed to enter Kangla from January 24 to January 26. In a press release, State Archaeology said visitors who are there to witness Republic Day celebrations are allowed to enter Kangla. Now to sports news. In a champion qualifying match of the third MCAW Pralada and W Ramananda Allied Tournament, Cyclone Thamaiban beat YWC Langtabal by 7 wickets. Winning the toss, YWC Langtabal elected to bat first and scored 75 runs only in 26 overs, losing all the wicket. In reply, Cyclone Thamaiban reached the target runs in 18.5 overs, losing only 3 wickets, winning the match by 7 wickets. Cyclone Thamaiban bowler Jampu was declared the man of the match for taking 4 wickets. Krau Kamnam Keithel and Thau Thamaiban will play it in the relegation match on the 29th of this month. In the fifth-legged match of the Senior Men's Manipur Hockey League, SUYC Uche contrasts YCCIC Kontha Halub 7-1. Deveshwar scored 3 goals, Manglam Laba 2, while Boy and Manto scored 1 goal each for the winner. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. First list of BJP candidates officially announced for 31 constituencies. Second list expected soon. Transporters and Drivers Council and Manipur Motor Vehicle Department urges public transportation to not increase fares, taking undue advantage of the economic blockade. And Manipur University launches Go Green Campus Manipur University program at the MU campus today.